Welcome to the Sleep 2021 platform. Navigating the platform is as simple as clicking a button to get where you want to go. To find your favorited presentations, speakers, and exhibitors, simply click the My Schedule button. To view a full listing of sessions offered at Sleep 2021, click Full Schedule. The Exhibit Hall button will bring you to a full listing of exhibitors where you can learn more about exhibiting companies and interact with their representatives. The Poster Hall button will bring you to an e-poster gallery full of the latest and greatest sleep science. The live stream buttons will update daily and will direct you to that day's streams. A key feature of the annual sleep meeting is the ability to engage with presenters, abstract authors, and other attendees. To help facilitate engagement and networking at a time that is convenient, we are encouraging attendees, speakers, and chairs to create their own virtual group discussions using the attendee-sourced group discussions button. The Event Survey and Claim Credits button will lead you to a new tab where you can claim your credits. Please wait until the end of the conference to complete the event survey. Not all presentations at Sleep are hosted in the live streams. The On-Demand Content button will provide you with a full schedule of pre-recorded presentations. To access the Sleep 2021 Abstract Supplement, search for presentations by speaker, view a full listing of sponsors, or to review a list of attendees, use the appropriate buttons in this row. Please connect with us on social media using the hashtag Sleep2021. A full listing of AASM and SRS social media pages can be found using this button. Have a question? You can always reach out to us at info@sleepmeeting.org, but the FAQ button may just hold the answers you're looking for. Sleepwalking is an interactive scavenger hunt taking place from June 11th through 13th. Download the mobile app to play, and you could win up to $750 in Amazon gift cards, plus complimentary 2021 membership to the AASM or SRS. Use the Product Showcase button to view the newest products and services offered by our exhibitors. In addition to this main screen, please take some time to familiarize yourself with the left-hand navigation menu. It's full of helpful links and is designed to make navigating the Sleep 2021 platform simple. Thank you for joining Virtual Sleep 2021, and we hope you enjoy the conference.